Hey guys, how are you? It's Samantha coming to you live from my treatment room. Today I just want to do a quick video. I just want to do a Fun Fact Friday. I'm playing around with social media. I'm having some fun this year. So I figured, this week I've been talking about men and men's skin. So I figured today I'd throw just a fun little fact out there for you. I do have a book here. Almost forgot about my book. So it's in my book, and I always love this tip because people think it's disgusting when I tell them. So now I just have to find it because I totally just decided, I'm like, oh, I got to do a video. So I just randomly popped on here. So the funny thing, and it's in my book. So if you guys need a copy, here it is, skindeepbooks.com. Anyways, I don't know where it is, but the fun fact of the day is that all that dust that accumulates in your bedroom, in your bathroom, that's actually dead skin cells. Isn't that gross? Actually, to me, that's kind of cool, but most people are like, really? It's disgusting. So when you see dust everywhere, especially if you think about it, your bathroom accumulates a lot, and it's because it's dead skin cells. I mean, of course, it's from, it's from other things, but a lot of the dirt and the dust that we see in our house, it's actually from our skin. So I just wanted to share that fun fact with you today. If you guys want to know any other wacky tips, or if you have any other questions or ideas for me, just send it my way. Like I said, next week I'm going to be focusing about men again. I'm going to have some more fun tips. So if you guys out there have any questions about skin or about how to take care of your skin, comment below. Or if you want to send me an email, my email is samantha@skindeepil.com. So hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday with another men's skin tip of the day. See you soon.